creative friends. I'm working in my little mini junk journal here. This is just made from a book that I found at the dollar store. I just tucked the pages out and put in some more pages. So I love using elements that I've already made. So this is some paper that I tea painted on. So you can have kind of your background or things that you want to use already available to you. This is a glue stick and I'm getting the last little bit out. And this page didn't take long. It was probably maybe 6 minutes to create. I didn't speed it up very much, but I'm just taking the glue and I'm putting down just elements that I already have in my stash. You'll see here that I'm going to use some twinchies that I created from a retreat that I was on. And when you have things already done, it comes together super quick. So I have some washi tape here, and then I decided to just use this pastel because it was on my desk and it has this really beautiful light pale yellow color. You'll see here that I'm struggling with my clip, and I'm going to add a little bit of gesso to that just to give it some texture. But one way that you can create more art or do it consistently is having kind of this collage fodder already prepared. Then you can just make a background quickly and put it on and it's ready to go. So I just wanted to share that technique with you that you can make all these little elements and then bring a page together super quick, especially with your junk journal. So here I'm just adding some instant coffee, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to my brush and just kind of blend that out a bit. And then you'll see I'm going to add a little bit more of the pastel. And this little journal is full with all sorts of different pages, so I just fill it up when I have extra time, but I like junk journaling. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of acrylic paint in this beautiful teal color, and I mixed it in with some rose gold, and then add some splatters because I love splatters, but quick background, so much fun. And then I have some ribbon or some piece of fabric here. I think I got it from this Sari kind of rug that everyone bought from Five Below, and I'm going to glue that down. So super simple. I hope that you try this technique. Just have some stuff done. I'm going to have a video for you guys next week showing you some fun collage fodder that you can add to your journals. But thank you so much for watching. Happy creating, and I will see you next time.